What's up, guys? It's January 5th. It's January 6th, 2020. Just got off work. It's 4:30. Last night, I went and bought this double-din radio. Look how thin this fucking thing is. There's no DVD player. It's got an output and a cam in antenna. It's very simple. This is all I needed for the Jetta, but this will help. It'll make it a lot easier to sell later on. I am certainly gonna get this motherfucker put in. At least I'm gonna get it wired in. Now we gotta see what it takes to get it actually installed. That'll be another story. So for now, I'm gonna wire this up and then we'll go check out the car and see what it's gonna take to get it put in. There he is. Hi, boy. So, got this all wired up. Gonna check out how mounting this thing goes. There's no frame with it or nothing. Kind of weird. Keys in my pocket. So let's see how this works. There's a whole nother fucking harness right there. Got nothing. Alright, I whipped up some secret sauce and got this thing mounted in pretty nice. Cup holder works, and I don't really foresee it falling out on hard Excel. We'll see though. We will see. Anyways, let's check out the subwoofer. Let's hook that up. Guess I didn't blow it up. Cool. Sick. I'm happy. Guys, I'm so stoked. This is 60 bucks. I cannot fucking believe that. The subwoofer kicks pretty damn hard with it. The thing is, I bought this car. These cars have a problem with the speakers where one channel is the polarities reversed in one speaker. So that causes like a weird sounding cabin. It does sound kind of funny though. Something's off. I did put Serwin Vega speakers in this for my old car. So this thing should be rocking pretty damn good. And it does, but I mean, I'm happy. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Fuck it. For 60 bucks, that's all this car really deserves, to tell you the truth. All right, I'm stoked with that. Next, we'll get coilovers and upper strut mounts on this thing. And then I'll buy the 4th matching wheel. And then I'll buy tires. And then I'll drop this $500 or $600 to get this thing registered and transferred into my name. Ugh. Hey guys. Radio's installed. I'm so fucking stoked. Man, that's probably why I don't drive that car anymore. I'd rather drive the heavy ass slow van, which also never has music. The radio never works up front on this thing either. But yeah, the subwoofer and that thing, I'm gonna take that thing for a cruise tonight. I haven't drove that. I mean, I take it to lunch every now and again, but I don't really drive it. I need to get some oil pumped through it, and it's probably due for an oil change by now. That's great. We got one more thing crossed off the list. I don't know if I'll do coilovers next or that wheel. If I do that wheel, I have to do tires. Either way, it's got to get aligned, but I don't know. Yeah, we're making progress. Already crossed one thing off the list, the radio in the Jetta. 2 things, got tires put on the van, the new tires. Fuck, we're making progress, guys, and it feels good. It feels really good. That's it for tonight, guys. I'm out of here. Have a good weekend. Have a good week. Yeah, I got to make an appointment for my shoulder. I am killing. So yeah, that's it. We'll see ya. Bye.